After Prime Minister Modi made his biggest outreach to farmers amid raging protests there over contentious farm laws, agitating farmers' unions are currently holding a key huddle to give a point-by-point rebuttal to Prime Minister's speech. Kisan Samyukta Morcha, that has nearly 40 unions across the country, are also now deciding on the letter sent by the Agricultural Ministry to protesting farmers, allaying their apprehensions over farm laws. Prime Minister, in his outreach there to farmers, has urged protesters to come for talks and expressed his government's willingness to make amendments in the laws based on facts. Farmers maintain that they're currently not being misled. They're protesting out of will and understanding of the farm laws, claim that farm laws will benefit corporates instead of the farmers itself. Protesting farmers have now blocked traffic heading from Delhi to Ghaziabad by putting in barricades.
किसान क्या समाधान निकाल रहे हैं? किसान के कोई हाथ में है समाधान निकालना? समाधान तो सरकार निकाल लेगी। किसान तो अपना आंदोलन कर रहा है, शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से कर रहा है, यहाँ पे बैठा है। भाई किसान तो यहाँ 32 साल बाद में आया, फिर क्या समाधान निकाल रहे किसान?
क्या लगता है सरकार वापस लेगी बिल को?
और क्या करेगी? सरकार को राज नहीं करना।
8 तारीख के वास्ते
मैं कह रहा है सरकार को राज नहीं करना क्या? अगर ना करना हो, देखो किसान हारेगा सरकार हारेगी, किसान जीतेगा सरकार जीतेगी।
Milan Sharma reporting live from the Singhu border. Let's cut across. Milan, there it seems like the mood at the Singhu border is upbeat. Farmers there adamant that they're not going to go back unless the farm laws are completely quashed. The unions are in a huddle trying to understand whether they should indulge in a dialogue with the government or not, because the government has made it clear they're not going to quash the laws. So what next then? Any word from the farmers?
Well, Nabila, we've been reporting since day one of the strife that began at Sindhu border, where farmers started coming towards this area from Punjab and Haryana, bringing up their demands. And it's been a month to that. In fact, 26 November was the day that the farmers had moved towards the national capital and said that, we will reach Delhi. And over a month later, we still see the crowds just swelling. Right now, where I'm standing is where the meeting of the 40 Samyukt Kisan unions is taking place, wherein they have, devised a strategy to give a point-by-point rebuttal to the Prime Minister's speech on farmer laws. And definitely we've heard from our sources that they will give these rebuttals in written, because the government has also sent them a written letter which the Prime Minister had asked the Kisan unions to consider and read and get back to them. So, at one point the Kisans here, the farmers, don't want to give an impression that they are adamant and they don't want to talk to the government. Definitely they want to keep the talks on, and the government on their part also wants to keep these talks going, which is why this meeting is crucial, because at 5:30 there'll be a press conference by these farmer unions and they will decide whether or not, what the next strategy of the protest will be, because it's been a month. And at Singhu border, we're looking at throngs of people who are coming here with their families, with the children. There is massive support for farmers from the Singar community in Punjab. There are supports from Langar communities across the world.
Absolutely.
And that is the sense we get, that the protest will not stop unless the 3 farm bills are rolled back. And that is what this meeting will discuss, the future course of the protest.
Milan, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that Singhu border there, where crowds swelling, people going in to have a look at what's happening there, and farmers seated, put, not willing to budge. They say they're prepared for the long haul as long as the government takes. Let them take, but they've got to quash the laws. There's no 2 word on that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.